Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not Magnific AI is free. In order to do so, here we are at magnific.ai. And if you're on the main page, you should see something like this. And you can click where it says upscale, transform, or generate an image. We'll go ahead and click on that. And we will sign in with Google. Just a couple clicks of the button here, then we are able to log in, and you can see for yourself that Magnific is asking us to upgrade in order to be able to use its platform. And that answers the question of whether or not it is free. Magnific is not free. In order to use it, the basic subscription, which is Magnific Pro, is $55 per month. It goes up to $135 per month for Magnific Premium, and for $400 per month, you can get access to Magnific Enterprise. So Magnific is not free. It does require a subscription to use, and it is on the pricier side of things. So there are other options that are available when it comes to upscaling, but Magnific is admittedly one of the better options when it comes to upscaling. However, it is not necessarily cheap. You're looking at least $55 per month for the basic plan, which is Magnific Pro. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.